Hi everyone. Let your journey automatically earn you rewards in the background while you go about your daily life. Let me explain. My goal is to find any app that I can add to my phone, set it up properly, and have it earn me rewards to either claim, put toward gift cards, convert into cash, or convert into crypto. And today, at MyIncomeJob YouTube channel, please subscribe. I uploaded 4 videos. The first video I speak about Stride. I show how to manually add miles to it. The other 3 videos I uploaded show you how to set up these apps to earn free crypto, convert rewards into cash, or convert rewards into gift cards while you're going about your business. These 3 apps are working behind the scenes no matter what I do. And it's a free way to set up more streams of income working in your favor, because a lot of little streams of income all of a sudden turn into huge gains, financial gains. So if you subscribe to MyIncomeJob YouTube channel, my goal will be uploading more videos speaking about many other apps that you can use to easily set up and require very minimal time to receive cash or gift card or crypto. We'll start with this one. Gig workers earn free coins from driving. I did a video about the coin app today. I've had it on my phone for at least 3 months. I'm finally catching on, and just even after I did the video, I learned many other ways that I can earn crypto. And they even allow you to earn crypto if you're a walker. And I try to walk a few times a week, and I've been doing the treadmill again. Why not earn something from something you're doing already? You're doing anyway. But you can earn free crypto by letting the app track your miles when you're driving. It's incredible. And I learned with the Centennial card, I paid for the medium program level, not the pro, just the medium, but it is totally free. If you want to do it, you can earn free crypto totally free. And you can scan this card, the Centennial card, every 4 hours to geomine. It's teaching me more about crypto. And I'm earning free crypto. I'm going to put it toward, either it was XYO, Bitcoin and Ethereum were on there. Well, I'm going to pick one of them. Pogo, free app. Convert points to cash. It's that simple. Sync up all your automatic bills that you pay with a specific debit card. That I did. I linked a couple of stores that I shop at regularly, and every time I shop, they list it in my account, and they give me about a week to claim them. You have to sign in once a week to click claim, but you're talking about a minute of your time every week, and that's no lie. There are other ways you can earn rewards in addition to just letting it automatically track your transaction activity, but that's up to you. At least it's earning me rewards for stuff that's happening anyway in my life, and it doesn't require any more than a minute a week opening up the app if that's all I want to use it for. The video is very good. That's a good video. And convert miles into gift card rewards. I learned about this Miles app a long time ago. I forget the guy's name off the top of my head, but I put it back on my phone, and I will be using it. My goal is to find as many apps as possible that I could set up on my phone to have it track me, track my transactions, whatever I need to do to set it up properly to automatically earn me rewards to turn into cash in for gift cards, to earn me rewards to convert into cash, and to earn me rewards to earn free crypto. These 3 apps are totally for free. You just have to take the time to set them up properly and let them do the work for you while you go about your business. A lot of little streams of income over time add up to a lot. Follow me, subscribe at MyIncomeJob YouTube channel. Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. If you're into setting up streams of income on the internet, a few days ago I uploaded a video, SEO, SERP, organic retention. Excellent video. I'm a true believer of doing it yourself, setting it up properly, and let it mature into the search engines and mature into the web organically, naturally, gradually. Because now I'm noticing I'm earning daily residual income faster. That's key. So you can follow me here if you're into the internet stuff. My website, MyIncomeJob.com. My website, storebuy.shop. It's all about training yourself to understand all the opportunities out there available, and a lot of them are free. If you just think, I'm hoping, this time next year, I have 20 apps on my phone working in my favor, earning me some kind of cash reward or rewards to put toward gift cards or free crypto, because there are a lot of them out there. And if you follow me at MyIncomeJob YouTube channel, that's where I'll be uploading those videos. And I'm trying my best to keep them under 10 minutes, as you can see. They're much shorter videos too. I wish you a lot of luck, guys. Let your journey automatically earn you rewards. That's how you do it. I'll see you next time. Good luck, everyone. Bye.